So my name is Anne Koday, and I'm an associate at Neal, Gerber Eisenberg in the Real Estate Tax Practice Group. I've been at Neal Gerber for almost 2 years now. I grew up in Fort Wayne, Indiana, born and raised, and went to undergrad at Indiana University. I then came to Chicago and worked for Deloitte Consulting for a year, and then moved to Nashville, Tennessee, where I went to Vanderbilt University for law school.
Anne's primary practice area is real estate tax, which is a very kind of small specialized group here at the firm, which services a really broad array of clients. The other thing that Anne has done a great job with is getting involved with pro bono. And so now she's also, because she was so involved, we've asked her to be on the pro bono committee. So she's a new member of the firm's pro bono committee as well.
My pro bono work focuses on 3 different areas, and I work with 3 organizations in particular. I serve as the counsel for the Chicago Low Income Housing Trust Fund. I also work with the Municipal Court Pro Bono program, and I serve as a guardian ad litem for minors for Chicago Volunteer Legal Services.
It's a real pleasure working with Anne. She's just very poised, very charming. Of course, she's very intelligent, and so in that way, it's great with all of her work that she's able to kind of figure out very quickly what it is that needs to be done and get to the bottom of it.
She's our most outstanding volunteer because she was the first attorney at Neal Gerber to take a case, and she's the only attorney who's taken 2 cases. She took 1 case, took it to arbitration, spent 60 hours working on this case, more than any other attorney. Even though she was headed to trial in that 1 case, it didn't stop her from taking another case. So it's really great that the experience was such a positive experience and charged her, enthusiasm that she went and took on another case, and that she was, of course, victorious. That's always helpful to win.
I think what initially interested me in the practice of law was the ability to make a real difference in my community. Obviously, any legal practice is going to affect the world at large, the business world in particular, but I've also found that I've been able to affect my community in a positive way through my legal work, and in particular my pro bono legal work. So being a lawyer has opened doors for me and allowed me to really impact the lives of my clients, my billable clients and my pro bono clients.
I'm thrilled that Anne is getting this recognition because she really has done a tremendous job of making pro bono look like something that younger attorneys can take on an independent basis and really do a lot.
It's great that then there are young attorneys who respond to the call, as Anne has done. And to respond twice in 6 months and take on 2 cases is just superb. And it speaks a lot for her, and it speaks a lot to her firm and their commitment to pro bono and to professional development.
I just think that I've been lucky and fortunate to have had the opportunities that I've had, the ability and the means to go to college, go to law school, work at a firm in Chicago, and I think that it's part of my obligation as an attorney to continue to give back to the community as a whole.